evening, and welcome everyone to Little Cards Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Local Author. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, guys, so we are going to be jumping into December. So I already started December 1st and the 2nd journaling pages. This is my TPC Nation Hybrid Planner. This one is the one with the monthly, the weekly, and the seven daily journaling pages. So that is that. And so we're going to be doing right now Friday and Saturday. I'm going to be using this kit from leftovers from Eileen Planning. I don't remember the name of it. I think it's called Sweat and Weather, but if it's not, I apologize. So I have some deco sheets, this glitter, and I'm not going to use the habit checkers. I'm going to be using some of the checklists. I'm also going to be using Savannah Paper Co's Gray Functionals, the Planner Frenzy School Bus and School. I'm also going to be using Sassy Planner Co's doodle sheets. This is, or functional sheets, or quarter sheets. I forget what she calls them. But medicine, emotions, mom, wife, coffee, day off, trash, taco, and travel, or card doodles. So, as always, I will link everything down below. Alright, let's get started. I will fast forward you guys now. Alrighty, guys, so I managed to add 3 pages. I'm going to be using a lot of icons at the kit. Like I said, I'm going to be using the gray functional stickers from Savannah Paper Co. Sorry about that. I'm also going to be using Brianna Nicole's decorative stickers, her snowflakes, and her cocoa stickers. They are super duper cute, and I thought they went really well with the theme of the kit, which is basically winter. It didn't snow, but anyways, it is what it is. We're going to be using the Dale stickers and Planner Frenzy's school stickers. I'm also going to be using Planner Frenzy's school bus stickers as well. The Tambo, whiting everything out, and then I'm also going to be adding a lot of the glitter headers and the thicker glitter headers. Mom Life stickers. I'm going to use this for Friday and Saturday. No, Sunday. Up top, because I thought it was really cute. I don't know. I like to decorate my planner pages. I really love this planner. Taco night stickers, decorative stickers. Yeah, I was on the phone all day on Friday. Had to fix, and it's still not fixed, this busing situation. The only thing that I added at the bottom is the trash day stickers, and I'm also going to be using the weekend stickers along with a few other things from Rose Color Days functional stickers as well. It went well with the kit as long what was I gonna say? Brain fart. This was a travel day, and it was a day off day. So, and those are the cute little Brianna Cocoa stickers. It didn't snow, but I thought it went well with the kit. I used a lot of medicine stickers and card doodles from Sassy Planner Co. Again, if you use Eileen 20, you'll get 20% off. And we were here super duper late, so I don't have my X-Acto knife, so it's gonna be Cricut. It's gonna stay that way. So I just wrote down that we hung out and fixed a few things. This day I basically used the Mom Life stickers up top, or the coffee doodle stickers, one or the other. And I did everything in pen. I just was like, okay, well, this day David had to go to work. I have to go get some work stickers. And I do add the washi down at the bottom, just to use it up. It's really pretty. I love it. That's another reason why I wanted to use it. So as I said, I just kind of wrote everything in and add a little deco here and there. As always, if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below, and I will have everything listed down in the description box. And yeah, Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.